Do you have trouble making friends as an adult? We all do. Just kidding. But not really. Hi everyone, my name's Dana. I won't tell anyone that you clicked on this video. But don't worry, if you would like to learn a few tips on how you can make friends as an adult, just keep watching. So a familiar story might be, you've gone to college, you made tons of friends there, there was always something to do, people to hang out with, and always your life was social. But then afterwards you might have gone on to get married, settle down, you're in your career, you have a few kids, your life is very busy and you don't seem to have time to make friends. But it doesn't make up for the fact that we need friends in our lives in order to make sure that we are happy, to make sure that we're strong, and that we can have a base of support outside of our family unit. So one of the ways we can make friends as an adult is more like an understanding. We have to have a reasonable expectation for our friendships as an adult. They won't be the same as the friendships we had in high school or college, especially if these people are new friends. And keeping in mind, these friendships do require effort. It's something that I need to work on as a friend, is being more available, creating more effort, and then making the time to cultivate these relationships. I heard someone once say that having a friend when you're an adult should be kind of approached as if you're dating someone and you're an adult. So it takes that amount of effort sometimes for friendships that we really want to invest our time and attention into. So things that are important to do is to spend time with that person, to call, to text, to interact with them in ways that we know will grow our friendship, make it stronger, and that we can enjoy our time with each other. Another way to make and keep friends as an adult is to make sure that we are friends outside of the normal environment that we see these people. So if we have our work friends and they're people that we can see ourselves spending time with outside of work, make plans to have dinner, to have coffee, to do a fun activity outside of the work environment. Also, to make friends as an adult, you have to get off your couch. You just do. So joining groups like sports teams, looking through something called looking through Groupon or Meetup is a great way to be able to get out of your comfort zone a little bit and do something that is active, that is outside of your home, that will force you to interact with new people. A really good way to do that is to join groups that we're not familiar with, and it gives us another range of people that we would not have met otherwise. So for example, I started taking lessons for dance, and it's opened up a whole new world of people that like to dance, and with dance these people also like to do other things. So it opens up opportunities for travel, for artistic things, and it just creates a fun new community of friends to have new activities to do. One thing we have to remember, adults want friends, so don't be afraid to say hi. The very best example of this is with one of my dear friends. I met her whenever I lived in the Midwest. I was really into fitness and working out at the time pretty regularly, and I would see this girl and she would also always be at the gym doing pull-ups, and she'd run and she'd do these really cool high intensity workouts, and I also was working out hard in the gym. So one day we were in the section where you're doing foam rolling. I had my earbuds in, which is a universal sign for don't talk to me. I didn't realize this until later in life, but she said, "Hey, what are you training for?" I said, "Hey, I'm not training for anything. I'm training for life." And then we were friends from then on. So I got picked up at the gym by one of my best friends that I've met so far. And I really appreciated that she wasn't afraid to say hi to me. So if we can just get past the fear and the anxiousness that we get with meeting friends as adults, just say hi, introduce ourselves. Other people are also looking for that from us. A way to make and keep friendships as an adult, or at least to build a network of people who can be resources for us later in life, don't pass up on every opportunity to be social. Often we would just rather curl up in our PJs, stay home, and watch Netflix. But if we would just get out of the house sometimes and actually go to that dinner, go to that pool game, go see football at a local bar or lounge. That's the thing that we need in order to try to build these friendships. So get out of the house. I've also found that asking for contact information when you first meet someone and exchanging it both immediately, you're more likely to not forget, like, oh yeah, later I'll save that contact in my phone. You won't, ever. So make sure when you first meet someone, get their contact information, exchange numbers, make sure you call them right away so that there's no excuse. One thing that's also a great way to make friends as an adult is to try befriending people that are a little older or a little younger than you. Sometimes if we stay on the same path of people that are our age, we miss out on a lot of opportunities that we would have, we miss out on a lot of friendships that could be great. If you'd like to try some of these tips out, go ahead, comment below, rekindle a friendship, or create a new friend in me. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like, feel free to follow me on Instagram to see what I'm up to, and check out my other videos on lifestyle and all things lovely. Have a great day. Bye.